Thousands of Filipinos have filled the streets of Manila, demanding transparency and accountability from their government. Two massive rallies, one at Rizal Park organized by Iglesia Ni Cristo and another at the EDSA People Power Monument by the United People's Initiative, drew tens of thousands of participants. The protests come after two deadly typhoons devastated the Philippines, leaving hundreds dead and millions affected. Amid growing outrage over corruption in billion-peso infrastructure projects, demonstrators are calling for full disclosure of government finances and reforms to fight graft. President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. is reportedly monitoring the large-scale protests as civic groups and citizens push for a better democracy. With chants, banners, and umbrellas raised high, Filipinos are once again showing their determination to hold leaders accountable and demand a more transparent government.
Ang pag-asa kasalin ako, ang isang katulad mo. Ang mayabang pinanakalan mo. And for our next performers, let's welcome
sa mga casualty na lang. May CMDPS tayo. Baka gusto
naman tayo sa baha na ito ang panawagan na dapat na itago ang sinay panloloko at baka matagaw ninyo Maglalay at